Here's the guest bathroom. So the HardieBacker board is down and screwed. All the joints have been red guarded and mudded. Nice and solid, looks good. Closet's all done. This all came out good. So that's ready to go. Here's a shower. Here's my little niche I built. All right, guarded. So this is all mud filled, red guarded, all the holes, everything waterproofed. Same for up here. Schluter. No Schluter, sorry. I was gonna say Schluter's tomorrow, but no Schluter tomorrow. We're gonna do the tile. So all this is waterproofed and ready to run. This is a little crappy here. I gotta get that nice and square. I guess I'll work on that tomorrow. This looks good. Probably need to put a piece in here, even though vanity. Oh, they'll probably mud fill that. Anyway, let's go over here. They loaded all the tile up here for her bathroom. And then we got this over here. Here's the master. Wide. Ready to go. Again, this is HardieBacker cement board down. Red guarded, that's what the red stuff is. It's a waterproofing agent. It's kind of overkill in here for that, but if you think about it, if water gets in here, gets through the mud layer, gets through the, gets through the tile layer, gets through the mud layer, it's not gonna penetrate into the subfloor. This, we need to unscrew and push these pipes down and tile over it because we're gonna core drill that out. So you need to do that. Here's the niches. Here's the tile that's going in the shower floor. And here's all hardied. Everything's hardie. And then here's the shower drain. We were trying to work out a linear drain. Let's take a look at these niches. My biggest thing is just water getting past the marble and stuff. It's sitting in here. It's just still a little wet. This looks all really, really good. Nice and waterproofed. So everything has a waterproof membrane on it all the way through and through. Shower seat is Dura-Rocked and red guarded. So again, if any water gets behind it, it's not gonna seep into the woodwork and rot the house out. And red guard goes as high, goes a little bit higher than the water's head. You don't need red guard up there because no one's spraying a sprayer up there. Again here, red guard in all the corners. Everything's kind of filled and mudded and ready to go. Look great. So that's the shower. Is this attached yet? No, that one's not attached yet either. So we gotta fix those still. That's the bathrooms. Getting there. Getting there. Looking good. It's exciting.